Hey guys, my name is Dimitri, and this is a video for new arrival at Car City Inc. It's a beautiful 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE model, XLE package actually. Beautiful in and out, 115,000 miles. Probably one of the best minivans on the market. It's Sienna. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition. Body looks great. Nice paint all around. No problems, no scratches, no big dents or dents. Looks very sharp. Fog lights. Nice grille. Again, 115,000 miles. It's got clean Carfax with good maintenance history. Let's look at the tires. Rims looks good, and the tires, as you can see, probably good 65-80%. Let's peek inside. It's got a nice wooden trim, power locks, power windows, power seat, leather interior. Again, just came from the detail shop, so it's looking very nice and clean. No problem at all, very minimum wear. There is again wood trim over here. Those seats are heated. It's got climate control, AM/FM radio with CD. No lights on. There is a backup camera, I guess. Double check for you. Yeah, there is a backup camera as well. It's available here. All nice features like a Bluetooth, traction control, power doors. Everything is in working condition. There is a sunroof, power lift gate, movable seats here, and third row. All looking good, beautiful, in and out, very reliable, best quality, fresh oil change, been inspected and ready to go. So if you guys looking for the family van, this is it. We have it at Car City Inc. And beside it we have around 150 cars in stock, minivans, SUVs, sedans. We have a lot of cars from Japan. So just check us out, check our website carcitychicago.com, and if you guys have any questions, just give us a call, 847-496-4250. Our sales team will be ready to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.